Want to set up or enable the parental control on your Fire TV? Parental control actually helps parents to manage their children to set up the pin protection for the certain content and the application by the maturity ratings, and also ensure the option to block purchases and the downloads. And more importantly, I'll show you which option you should turn on and which option you should not. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. Well, now to set up or enable the parental control, first thing first is go ahead and press the home button from your Fire TV remote. And from your home page, go to the settings first. And from the settings, go down to the preferences. And under the preference, you'll get the first option, parental control. So just go ahead and press OK from here. And here, as you can see, the parental control is currently turned off on my device. Now to turn on, just go ahead and press OK again from here. And it will ask you to set up a password. So you can set up any password from your choice. So I'm just going to select 0 for 5 times. And once you're done with that, here, as you can see, the parental control is turned on and you'll get all the features available right after this one. So we'll talk about the second one first. If you turn on this option, it's actually going to ask you for the PIN before you purchase anything like videos, apps, and games from your Fire TV. And nextly, we will be talking about the viewing restriction. You can easily set up the viewing restriction from here. If I click over here, you'll get to see a few different options. So we'll go all the way down from here and we'll start from here. If you don't want your children or the family member to watch the matured content on your Fire TV, then you can log this option from here. And if you don't want this one, young adult, you can log this as well. And if you go to the top to the teen over here, you can log this option as well. And I'm gonna keep it default, the family and the general from here. And this is how you can actually set the viewing restriction. If you get back from here, and the next option comes with the Pin Protect app launches. This feature is actually a really cool feature. If you turn on this option, every time you're gonna open any application or the feature from your Fire TV, it's gonna ask you for the PIN. Okay, so the last and final things that we're gonna talk about is changing the PIN. If you change your mind and if you want to change the password for the parental control, you can easily change this one. Just go ahead and press OK from the remote and it will ask you for your current password. Just go ahead and enter the password over here and you can set a new password. So guys, this is how you can enable the parental control on your Fire TV. But if any case, if you want to disable the parental control option from your Fire TV, just go ahead and go all the way to the top from here and you'll get the parental control option. So just go ahead and press OK and it will ask you for the password once again. So just go ahead and enter your password and your parental control will be turned off on your Fire TV. So guys, this is how you can enable and disable the parental control on your Fire TV. Hope you find this video helpful. If you do, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, let me know in the comments section. I'll catch you up in the next one. Thank you very much for watching.